Good day everyone, we are Group 4, your travel agent from Highland Travels, and we are represent our Baler Aurora tour package entitled Your Christmas Through Baler. Do you see yourself escaping the stress that your job throws on you on a daily basis? Being able to unwind on the beach while sipping a refreshing drink, far from your worries about finishing paper or assisting customer at work. Be on top of a mountain, looking out over stunning scenery that is unlike anything you have ever seen before. Worry no more, because Highland Travels will be here to guide you and help you when it comes to all of your travel plans and needs. So be ready for all the static, adventurous, and memorable tour with Highland Travels. Give yourself a discovery and get out of your comfort zone, and will discover yourself exploring new places with the Travel Connector Agency. With Highland Travels, we got you.
I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. But that ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy.
Important mission: to serve our clients' organized travel experience by providing quality services that satisfy and address their travel needs through that customer satisfaction, loyalty, and superior financial result can be achieved. And for the vision: to be known as the most trusted and respected travel agency by our clients for providing excellence, to be a leading provider for travel resolution, and for continuously creating opportunity for growth of our strategic business.
So why you should visit Baler Aurora? Baler Aurora is popular for its sensational waves. Surfing isn't the only thing you can do in this town. There are many Baler tourist spots that are also worth visit. From historical places to pristine beaches for relaxation, this town has everything you need. Aurora is also known for being the land of golden sunrise.
To the day 1, 2 a.m. departure Manila to Baler, at 7 a.m. breakfast, bus stop at 𝖣𝖨𝖲𝖢, 9 a.m. arrive in Baler, 10 a.m. tour around Baler town, 12 noon lunch, 2 p.m. explore Dinggis rock formations and waterfalls, 3 p.m. hike Ermita Hill, 5 p.m. sunset viewing by the beach, swimming, chill out, 7 p.m. dinner, 8 p.m. booze party, acoustic night by the beach, at 11 p.m. is sleep.
And for the day 2,
8 a.m. wake up and prepare, 9 a.m. breakfast, 10 a.m. surfing in Sabang Beach, at 12 noon lunch, 2 p.m. siesta by the beach, 4 p.m. swimming, 7 p.m. dinner, 8 a.m. booze party, acoustic night by the beach, at 11 p.m. sleep. At the day 3, 6 a.m. departure from Baler to San Luis, 7 a.m. arrive at San Luis, 7:30 a.m. rest, breakfast at cottage, 8:30 a.m. resume, 9 a.m. arrive at the falls, 10 a.m. start descent, 11 a.m. back at the highway, 12 a.m. arrival in Baler, 1 p.m. back to the hostel, freshen up and check out, 3 p.m. departure Baler to Manila, at 10 p.m. arrival in Manila.
Here are the destinations you can go in Baler, Aurora. Trek to Tumabo Mother Falls, located in Barangay Tumabo, in the town of San Luis. It's the one of the major attractions of the province. According to some locals, it is the biggest waterfalls in the province, so it gets the name Mother Falls.
Learn how to surf, as it is considered as the birthplace of surfing in the Philippines. A trip to Baler would not be the complete without giving surfing a try. Sabang Beach is a prime of surfing site in the Philippines, has become Baler's source of pride alongside its rich history. Baler's source of pride along its rich history and natural wonders. It's a popular surfing destination among surfers and non-surfers because of its distant long stretch of gray sandy swirling and crashing waves coming from the Pacific Ocean. You can get surfing lesson from any of the surfing school by the beach. A 1-hour lesson costs about 300 pesos with the instruction helping you out. This is a must-do activity when visiting Baler.
Historical walking tour around Baler town. Visit the different historical landmarks within the town proper. Starts at Quezon Park to see the statue of former President Manuel Luis Quezon. Then proceed to Museo de Baler to see the province's prizes, artifacts, and memorabilia that showcase the province's rich history and culture. A few steps away from the park is the old Baler Municipal Hall with the statue of Rizal and Quezon greeting you at the entrance. Then continues the walking tour with a visit to the Church of Baler. It is rich in the history as it is the site of the siege of Baler during the Philippine Revolution from 1898 to 1899. And lastly, visit the replica of Aurora Quezon's ancestral house. Doña Aurora Aragon Quezon is the wife of former President Quezon. She was born in Baler and the province was named after her.
Climb Ermita Hills. Considered as the highest point in Baler overlooking the bay, at the root of the hills is a shrine called Tromba Marina, dedicated to commemorate the families who climbed up the hills and survived the catastrophic tsunami that happened in 1735. On top of the hill, enjoy the picturesque view of the town of Baler, Sabang Beach, Cemento, and Dima-Dimalangat Islet.
So what we provide? The first one is domestic and international ticketing, hotel bookings, sightseeing tour package, theme parks tickets, land trip tours, transfers, and of course, car and van, minibus or bar rentals, cruise, visa assistance, pocket Wi-Fi rental, and travel insurance.
Booking procedure number 1. Choose your package, then click the Reserve Now button or send us an email for other services requests.
Here are the booking procedure. After verification, we will finalize your booking and you will receive your booking confirmations and vouchers through your email and within 3 working days.
What are you waiting for? Book now! Check our website for more info. Once again, we are from Highland Travels and reminding our protocols, always wear your face mask.
Again, I am Sir Miguel.
And I'm 𝖳𝖨𝖲𝖢𝖫𝖨𝖲𝖢𝖕.
I'm Aya Tomas.
My name is Sarah Micaela Recta from Highland Travels.
Hello, I'm Regine Valino and I'm responsible to ensuring every aspect of your experience with Highland Travel and Tours is pleasing. I will work with you to choose the travel package that best fits your needs, create a customized itinerary, help you prepare your trip, and communicate with your party and our partners throughout your trip to ensure that all goes smoothly.